Right now I'm going to build the frame for the outline of the ship, and I'm going to build that out of Legos because it is very sturdy, and if I built it with cardboard it would be bending all over the place. So I want to have a really strong frame, so I think I'm going to use Legos and then hot glue it to make the frame, and I'll have I'll have one going this way, one going this way, so I have an opening for these two doors. And then, I'll have the beam go like this and like that, and connect them right here, right where it bends, just for some extra support there, and then another one there across, and then one from across the wings, and then basically just put support on the edge of the outline. Once I got those pieces cut out, I glued them onto the Lego frame, and these are the parts that are on the outside of the door. This part is like a fake bottom, because I wanted the doors to have something to open into, and if I made it just the actual bottom of the ship, there'd be a lot more stuff in there. And later on I'm going to put lights inside of it, and you'd be able to see all the open lights on the inside if I didn't put a fake bottom in. So I made these out of the Lego Technic parts, and they're going to be the hinges for the doors. I don't know what type of hinge this is, but it goes up and over. Here's what it looks like with all of the hinges in. The doors can open and close, but you kind of have to do them at the same time because the Lego parts are kind of overlapping each other. But they're still able to open and close. You just have to do it a specific way. To get the right shape, I traced around the edge with a Sharpie just so I could make sure that it lined up on top. After that was done, I glued it onto the sides, and then I cut it at an angle because it tapers off, and that back part is where the engines are going to go. And that's the end of part 1, so stay tuned for the next one. Bye.